Hello civil engineers and welcome to Civil 53. On this special occasion of Republic Day in India, I have an exciting announcement for you. To celebrate this special day, I'm thrilled to announce a limited time offer on my AutoCAD mastering course available on the Udemy platform. For the next 5 days, you can enroll in the course at a 50% discount. If you are a civil engineer looking to enhance your AutoCAD skills and take your expertise to the new heights, this course is tailor-made for you. With comprehensive lessons, practical exercises, and real-world projects, you will gain the knowledge and confidence to excel in your field. But that's not all. I have another exciting update for you. I'm currently working on an upcoming course on 3D Max which will enable you to master the art of 3D visualization and create stunning architectural designs. Stay tuned for the updates as I finalize the course content and launch date. As valued members of Civil 53, you will be among the first to know when the course becomes available. Now without further ado, let's head over to Udemy by clicking on the following link to secure your spot at the discounted price. Thank you for being a part of Civil 53 and I'm truly excited to embark on this learning journey with you. Let's celebrate Republic Day while investing in our professional growth.